What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video, man. This has been an update that I've been waiting to bring to y'all. And as I'm filming this update here, it's only making me think, hey, I got another update right along these lines coming with this as well. I got some stuff coming. Got a whole lot of stuff that's just been laying around that I eventually got to get to as far as doing videos and things like that. Yeah, I know my story. As of lately, I just, my man, I've been zapped of energy, so still taking medicine, still got the good old cough drops and all that type of stuff. Try to get back up and running. But usually what I do is try to lay out things, maybe do a recap of previous videos, things like that. Let's just go for it, man. As of lately, I've been just going for it. So more the same. Got these little shears. So let's cut this box open. I usually cut the box open to make it easier for the video. But this go around, this is something from batteryhookup.com. So I wanted y'all to go ahead and take this journey with me as far as opening things up. So let's go ahead and pop that top. And let's see, are they, yep, packing beads. All right, we're gonna make a little mess here. I would sit there and hold on to the suspense, like, oh man, what is it gonna be? But always look at that like Sundown Unofficial, shout out to Derek, the young Derek. But it's like, oh, guess the numbers. Well, I'll be able to guess the numbers because I'm about to sit here and watch this video and tell you exactly what the numbers on the dyno to whatever MP's dyno. I'm gonna tell you exactly what the numbers are. Because I'm about to sit here and watch this video, and then once you get done doing the dyno video, I'll go back in there like, as soon as I get done watching it, the dyno numbers at 1 ohm was XYZ and at 2 ohm was this and 4. Did I get it right? Childish, yes, but it is what it is. So, we got a ton of packing. Trust me, usually what I would do, I would just flip this up and just go for it. But I'm not gonna do that because if I make a mess, then I have to clean it up, and I'm just not a fan of doing that. So I'd rather just keep digging in this box, grabbing packing peanuts, and trying to get to that good prize down there. All right, so like I said, I'll probably put in a title. I don't know. Y'all know I just shoot the videos and then upload them. So we clearly got a piece of equipment from batteryhookup.com. I don't know if this is just a regular sticker or vinyl, but yeah, we'll take a look at this. But obviously whatever I ordered came with this sticker here. It came with this here. Use code DIY for 5% off on your next purchase. Don't know. It could be another purchase coming up, y'all. But hopefully y'all can take a look at this. Maybe y'all can use that DIY code for 5% off on your next purchase, just in case you decide to go to this company. And there you go. Thank you for your purchase. Get hooked up. Build something awesome. Hopefully we are building something awesome here. Email us or tag us in a photo of your battery project on the social media for a chance to be featured. Yeah, and they do have a lot of featured stuff on their website. I mean, that's what's up. I'm not necessarily that guy, but I am that guy. All right, now I want to see if I can just grab this up out of here. Got a little weight to her. She's tiny. Okay, so I will say that. Y'all see what it is. 100 plus. It probably should say 100 AH plus because that 100 plus that it's referring to is 100 amp hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. There it is. A lot of y'all, well, clearly most of y'all are base heads. That's why y'all on this channel, because we are an SPL motivated channel. Now this here is let me see here. hopefully y'all know what this is. Like I said, if you've been around on EXO, I think JP, he might have did them too, Lafer Price. This is the original green bean battery from JY Power. So, just a reference to this here, 100 plus. So, y'all know last year I had the 100 amp hour underground power battery. Stupid nice battery. Seriously, all jokes aside, no nonsense, all of that. That is a grade A battery, man. Probably as big as maybe 5 or 6 of these. Got some weight to it. Like I said, man, at the end of the day, just super nice battery, just amazing, downright nice. This year, I got an Impala. I don't have a truck anymore, so I'm trying to get smaller. So we went ahead and ordered this little, and I do mean little, itty bitty little piece here. 100 amp hour. What is it, Light PO4 battery? So the same technology that underground power uses. Hopefully this little joker here will get down for me, because y'all know when these when JY Power first came out with these things, the thing was, hashtag lithium can't demo. She better be able to demo, because we're gonna put her to work. Right over here, you can't see it because it's out of frame, but right on the side of this right here, hopefully right on the side of that is just one of the SCAR DDX 10-inch subwoofers. Over there where that FedEx box is, FedEx stuff, behind that is another SCAR DDX 10 dual 4 subwoofer, 10-inch sub. So we got 2 of those. We got a couple more laying around. Like I said, I just got stuff that I got to get to, man. Just got to get the energy as far as getting up and actually doing videos on it, and actually being able to have my strength to move this stuff around. But when it comes to strength moving this around, no problem whatsoever, man. This thing is light as they come. So like I said, as far as the reference to JY Power to green beans, this is exactly what this is. So this is kind of the battery that, is definitely the battery that got that company started. We all know what JY Power is now. They're using those black cases. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe Doug is going to use those in his bass van. I'm like, same with me as far as lounging around. I need to catch up on other people's YouTube channels and things like that, man. So, but yes, just ramble on. Like I said, this is the little green bean that everybody was tripping on a couple years ago. I know for sure, like I said, EXO did use this in Frankenstein. He had this running along with some AGM, those Crescendo AGM batteries. So we're going to do something similar. Like I said, I got to do more videos. I just got to get the strength up to get this stuff going, man. So yes, there it is. This is one of the main reveals of the build this year. Like I said, my thing is budget. A lot of y'all coming through like budget my ass. I get it. But like I said, the budget wasn't a certain number. It was just, I guess, more or less the budget on what I was going to spend on the equipment. Just in case you're not familiar with this company, this is the company that a lot of people use to get going with lithium batteries. So what they do, like I said, you see the code right there, code DIY. So a lot of people use this battery hookup place to get, it might be used sales, they could be refurbished sale. They could be brand new. It just depends on what you're looking to do. A lot of people that are DIY lithiums or running headway, this is exactly where they're getting them from, man. So I figured instead of doing that, let me go ahead and try this piece here, and we'll see what she can do. So y'all know the deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I try to get back to everybody. Same old thing, 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken, man. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like these videos. Holla at me, let me know what you think, and would you say, hey man, it might be cool, might not be. So y'all know the deal. I used to be Doug Malley, and this used to be a word what's the magazine? Was it Word Up? I think it was Word Up.
Word up, bitch. I'm Ali 5000.
Should I run that back? I don't know if y'all might. Let's run that back.
Word up, bitch. I'm Ali 5000.
Peace. I'm out of here, man. Y'all have a good one.